Have you seen those revival sale ads popping up for Claire's Coastal Boutique? Maybe you're wondering if their crazy discounts are too good to be true. Well, I dove into the latest 2026 reviews, so you don't have to. Let's break down if Claire's Coastal Boutique is legit, or just another online scam. First off, deceptive marketing is everywhere on this site. They push high-pressure sales with claims like store closing soon or up to 80% off. Honestly, this is a big red flag. Many shoppers report never getting what they paid for, or they get a tracking number that doesn't even match the item. And those who actually did get their orders? Most say the quality is, well, shocking. Think cashmere sweaters that turn out to be scratchy polyester knockoffs. If you try to return something, don't expect an easy refund. Tons of buyers say they either got ignored or had to file fraud claims with their banks just to get their money back. Customer support? Pretty much non-existent. All you'll get is an auto reply, if anything at all. I checked, and Claire's Coastal Boutique isn't even BBB accredited. There are tons of complaints about refund denials and terrible service. A lot of people also confuse this site with the real Claire's, the jewelry store, or other legit boutiques. Don't get mixed up. Check the URL before you buy. So, what should you do if you've already ordered? First, try contacting their support at support@clairescoastalboutique.com. You'll want that paper trail. If they ghost you, call your bank immediately and start a chargeback for goods not received. Bottom line? With all these warning signs, I'd avoid Claire's Coastal Boutique. Trust your gut, shop smart, and stay safe online.